Welcome back to week 14 of Wildcat's Revenge Construction Update, and as you can see behind me right there, we have track on the structure. We have a lot to cover, so without further ado, all this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills.
Get ready, here we go.
Yeah, guys, we have track on the structure. Yeah, and as you can see, right now they are ripping out part of the left hill, because this is where the step-up underflip. It looks like this may be track for, because you have that large footer, so this might be actually the drop, I'd imagine. But actually, if you look right there, there's also track. The following, see the structure, but it looks like that piece right there is actually new structure. So that's really neat. It's just another look at those new track pieces that I've unearthed for us to see. I also went on top of Hershey Gardens today, so you'll be able to see some more footage of that. It looks like it also goes all the way down. I'd imagine the way that angle of that drop is looking, this is probably for the drop. Yeah, this is gonna look really sick when you're coming down from that drop. I can't wait to see the steel truss system get installed in the next upcoming weeks. Apparently part of the first turnaround hill track was also removed, the bottom of the drop. Yeah, it looks like part of the drop hill track is actually removed. It's been a while since we've been up here, so I thought I'd come back up today to show you how much the structure has changed. They started actually cutting the lift hill a little bit more even this week. Coming in, I saw the lift hill looks a lot steeper. They're ready to transform it into the step-up underfoot. So that'll be really cool. There's just another angle where you can kind of see the back part of the attraction, back where the 0G stall is in the turnaround. So the ride's gonna go down the first drop, go into the step-up underflip, and have a large camelback hill heading back into the turnaround, which will be that back part of the ride where the original turnaround was, but in this case it will be going the opposite direction before going back into a 0G stall, I think. And then it will use a little bit of the original first turnaround. but it will not use the entire part of it. We'll just use a little bit of it before it heads back into the final finale of the ride with the death roll, the final turnaround, the 0G roll, and then a couple more bunny hills, and then into the brake run. They're not going to be using the first brake run. They're only going to be using the final brake run, which was something I was hoping for. Yeah, so it definitely looks like an exciting attraction. I really like Jersey Devil, and Jersey Devil has kind of like an out and back layout. This one is a little bit more twisted, but certainly the out and back will give a lot of great airtime moments. Also, it will have a little bit of a double down, it looks like. I'm sorry guys, it's a little windy today, but it looks like there's also a crane there and lots of construction vehicles down. Yeah, it's definitely coming along this week. There's where the new first drop is. So they are really, you could just see how they are just really just pulling this drop back. So yeah, this is really exciting. You're seeing all this. Alright, so Hershey Park opens in about 45 minutes. I'm going to head over to Chocolate World right now because it is freezing cold. I'm just so surprised because yesterday I was at Great Adventure. I didn't film anything there yesterday, but I was just there, just hanging out at the park. And one point in the day, I actually took off my coat I'm wearing right now because it was just so hot. And then today it's just like so freezing, so there's a big drop in the temperature, so I can tell winter is coming, which is not really something I'm looking forward to. The one thing about Pennsylvania I don't like is our long winters. But I'm gonna head on to Chocolate World and then we'll head inside Hershey Park. Chocolate World, as you can see, is all decked out for Christmas. Definitely going to be pretty exciting. Alright, time for the chocolate tour.
From the very start, and you can taste the love all over the world. Have fun at the factory, everybody! Consistent Hershey's flavor.
This is the best part of the entire ride. They keep this nice and toasty during the winter. And I'll tell you, it feels really good in here.
Cocoa beans. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the amount of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs. And of course, that wonderful smell.
That's the thing, I really wish it would smell like chocolate in here again. This room used to smell a lot like it, and now it doesn't.
Rollers that grind the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special jar bars. Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups.
Best part about the chocolate tour is you always get a free piece of chocolate. Alright, let's head inside Hershey Park. One more thing, can we just appreciate the time and effort it took to make this? Out of chocolate bars, Kit Kats, and I'm guessing pieces. Yeah, this is incredible.
Why would you go to Vermont?
So unfortunately, it looks like Candymonium is still closed. Alright, let's head over to Wildcat. So later in this video, I'm actually going to be covering pretty much, this is going to be part construction update and part first week of Christmas Candylane vlog. So you guys are gonna get a double special today. An extra long construction update. I encourage you guys to stay tuned to the end because I'm gonna get shots of the night show called Noel. So, and it's always great to come to Hershey for Christmas Candylane. Alright, let's go. Stands here for the young kids over here by where the old carousel used to be. But yeah, the park is all decked out for Christmas. I'll tell you guys, I can't wait to have Wildcat's Revenge open for Christmas Candylane. It's definitely going to be one of the best rides that is open during Christmas Candylane, so I was really happy to find out that that was going to be open, because usually the only thing that's open that's like something that I want to do is Candymonium. I mean, a lot of the family coasters like Super Duper Looper is open. One side of Lightning Racer is open. I think the Thunder side. But yeah, so definitely gonna be great to have Wildcat's Revenge open. Not much to show back here by Wildcat Catering. Still looks the same. So that's where the final, first turnaround, after the step up underflip, it'll go into an airtime hill, and then it'll use that second turnaround before heading back and doing a 0G stall. But then this part will be for the death roll, which I'm nicknaming. And previously it came down this way and circled back up and back that way, but it'll actually do the death roll and come down and go the other way, and then do another 0G roll right underneath the death roll. So IAPPA is happening next week, and Hershey Park will actually be debuting these trains along with RMC at the IAPPA Expo at the RMC booth. So you can sure as heck bet I'm going to be tuning in to see that. These trains look sick. I love the trains on Jersey Devil at Great Adventure, and these just look just even better than those, so they're gonna look really cool. Here's back over by Laugh Track. Yeah, taking a look. There's a lot of construction equipment out there. They're not delayed. The track looks like it's all removed. And the first drop is somewhere back there. So. And here's just another view of the new track going into place right here. So even more, like there's where the original drop is. This is where the new drop is gonna be. I can tell no one has been back in this area for a long time. Look at all these freaking leaves. Don't worry, these will all be cleaned up. Obviously by the time the ride opens in the next summer.
And if you're in trouble, boy, love you just the same. Santa knows that we got children that makes everything right. Fill your hearts with Christmas cheer, for Santa Claus comes tonight. Well, he's a song, he'll come around when the chimes ring out. It's Christmas morn again. Peace on earth will come to all. We just follow the line. Let's give thanks to the Lord above, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. 'Cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Laughing all the way. Making our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing. E-E-double-L-S, I love those jingle bells. All the way. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know, and everyone you meet. Oh, oh, the mistletoe hung.
Hopefully I don't get flagged for copyright on those videos. I probably will, but I just hope the video is still visible, even though there was Elvis Presley and all those Christmas songs playing. So I hope you enjoyed that. But anyway, that's going to conclude with this part of the video. So now we're going to go check out a lot of the other things going on with Christmas Candylane. Let's go. Guys, I love coming on Sundays because this is right now the line for Jolly Rancher Remix.
Remain seated until the ride comes to a complete stop.
driving. Oh my god, this is actually kind of ridiculous. See, these are the attractions I don't usually get to do when I come to Hershey. So Christmas Candylane is always the time to do it. And the ride's always usually decked out with stuff to do. Of course, I had to show off my Wildcat shirt. I don't think I ever shown off Zoo America in my video, so I think I might do that right now. I think we're gonna start in the southern swamps. Believe it or not, these things right here aren't actually flamingos or pink chickens, as Dan from Midway Mayhem likes to call them. But no, they're actually spoonbills. Pretty cool. So I don't know if I've actually talked about this, but since I'm in, you know, the southern swampland area of Zoo America, I think I might announce that I will actually be going down to Florida in March. I'm going to be going to Universal, SeaWorld, and Busch Gardens Tampa. I'm going to be flying into Tampa, staying with family for a couple days, and then heading to Busch Gardens Tampa. So I'm really excited to ride Iron Gwazi, Mako, Velocicoaster, and hopefully Pipeline opens before I get down there. At the rate coming along, it looks like they might be done soon. They're moving along pretty quickly. So there's your Iron Gwazi for the day. Around March of this year, I actually went down to Florida and spent time with family when I was down there. And then I went off to Disney World. So I'm really excited to get back down to Florida. I absolutely love Florida, and it's going to be great to get to ride Iron Gwazi. I think that's the one I'm most looking forward to. And then I would say probably Velocicoaster. But yeah, so hopefully we get good weather when I'm down there, but it's gonna be fun. I swear, every time I come into Zoo America, I always feel like I'm on the land from Epcot. So, yeah. This area is pretty cool. This is like the dark area, the desert.
Wait, Jack, how many park you got up to?
Look, guys, the cheetah. It's the cheetah. Oh, awesome. It's the karate. There's a second one.
Here's one ride here that I definitely don't do when I come here. Oftentimes because it has the longest line in the park. So, another reason to come during Christmas Candylane.
Agents, the factory has been breached. This is not a drill. I repeat, not a drill.
No, but that is.
Agents, it's the lead.
We need to stop it.
Training's over.
The crystal cup is mint.
Without the crystal cup, the factory has no power. We need Euresis' spirit. We can't stay mint. The crystal cup is absorbing the energy.
After it.
seasonal perfumery. Stay alert. It has to be around here somewhere. Keep your...
The best part of this part is it smells like bubble gum.
Give it up, Mint. Don't let them get away.
Haven't done this attraction in a while. I had to get myself another sweatshirt because it was so freaking cold. And especially because I come out here to the construction site every week. You know, I need a Wildcat's Revenge sweatshirt just to show my enthusiasm for the project. On we go. So, in case you're wondering where these 12 Days of Christmas lights are, usually these Partridge Man Pear Tree all the way up to 12 Drummers Drumming was lining down up where Fahrenheit is, all the way down to where Lightning Racer is. They are now actually on the train right now. There's your 3 friends.
Beautiful, look at these lights. It's great. Oh, look over here.
So Jolly Rancher Remix just broke down. The guy literally just came in, turned it off, turned it back on again, and it works with computers apparently, and it works with roller coasters as well. And well, guys, that's going to do it from this week at Hershey Park and Wildcat's Revenge construction update. Super long construction update, should I say. If you made it to the end of this video, please give yourselves a round of applause. I really appreciate it. I will be back here next week to film more. Hopefully we see some more progress. I can't wait to see those trains next week at IAPPA as well. Yeah, a lot of great stuff. ever since Air Force One finished construction, RMC has been out here. They've been boom, 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 boom. So it's great to see. But if you like this video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to keep up with all the latest news with Wildcat and Hershey Park. And please leave a comment for me. I love reading your guys' comments. Alright, I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye, guys.